Terra Luna Classic seems as though it's starting to scramble. Like the community's being pulled in so many different directions right now. We don't know which way we're going. Up, down, sideways, left, right, backwards. Who knows? But I do know one thing. Terra Luna Classic absolutely has a chance. It has a chance to move higher as the future unfolds. It has a chance to move higher as the bull market returns. It has a chance to move higher if the community doesn't pull it apart from the center and rip it to shreds. So we're going to be talking about some of the other, yes, proposals that are going on out there, but also some preparedness, because you need to get prepared for the fact that Terra Luna Classic may drop even lower in price. We are testing some major levels of support that we haven't seen in a long time. And look, there's no fear surrounding it. We just need to talk about what's going on. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you get a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can buy, sell, trade, short, and get your hands on some Terra Luna Classic, hey, especially if the price comes down further, right? You're going to want some more. KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they both offer rewards for the more active trader. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be careful of any centralized exchange, guys. All these centralized exchanges, they're having problems right now. So look at decentralized wallets. Look at these cold storage wallets and make your decisions accordingly, because my goodness, don't let what happened with Voyager and FTX happen with any other exchange. So easy to avoid by not holding on those exchanges. Don't get married to them, right? So let's talk about Terra Luna Classic, and let's go over this proposal that's out there. I don't know if it's necessarily a serious proposal or not, but nonetheless, it is a proposal. And the risk you run for any Terra Luna Classic proposal is that it passes, okay? And this one here, it kind of shows how the community is scrambling right now. Now, this proposal is to stop all reminting, which, hey, I'm really not opposed to stopping the remint of Terra Luna Classic. There are other ways to skim than reminting, and we know that. But we're going to see some massive remints coming up in the future here. If Binance burns another $6+ billion, which, if just the same trading volume took place, the price being lower is going to result in more than 6 billion Terra Luna Classic being burned by Binance. That's going to result in over 3 billion Terra Luna Classic being reminted. It's going to be drastic. So this proposal wants to stop reminting any Terra Luna Classic, which I can get behind, but this part I don't necessarily agree with. It says it's got a section in this proposal that wants to burn 1 million Terra Luna Classic out of every wallet that holds over 5 million Terra Luna Classic. So if you hold 5 million Terra Luna Classic, you're going to see 20% of your Terra Luna Classic disappear. If you hold 100, you're going to see 1% of your Terra Luna Classic disappear. And I don't think that is... I hope that that's not possible, right? I don't even know if that's a possibility to take place. But also, you can't do that on centralized exchanges, right? We don't have control over these centralized exchange wallets. And therefore, it would cause everybody to flock off of the blockchain and over to the centralized exchanges, especially if they knew that they were going to get hit by 20% on their Terra Luna Classic. And then it had some caveat where if you have less than 5 million Terra Luna Classic, you burn staking rewards or something until you do get to 1 million Terra Luna Classic burn. The idea is to increase burns, right? Now, I can get behind burns all day long, but I don't necessarily like seeing people burn their individual money. I would never ask anybody to take a $20 bill out of their wallet right now and catch it on fire. Some of the best ways to burn are through leverage, through essentially these taxes, yes, but leveraging an opportunity that you would not otherwise have and taking a portion of those increased sales, increased transactions, increased revenue, and burning that. So scalability and I guess that sustainability are the most important part. Terra Luna Classic burns that this proposal, it just, to me, it feels like it's just a stretching and a scrambling by the community to come up with something that might end up working. Nonetheless, I mean, it's a proposal, right? That's what we're here for. We are here to govern by the decentralization of the community, and we vote on it. Votes yes, okay. Votes no, okay. But we need to talk about this price action on Terra Luna Classic, because we have seen a retest of 12,000 points per coin. And I know a lot of people, you may have jumped in when Terra Luna Classic was running up to that 50, 60,000 point per coin level, and you may not know or may not remember the levels of support that we had to break through on the way up. So Terra Luna Classic was sitting around 4,000 points per coin to 5,000 points per coin at its stagnant low levels. Jumped up to about 6, and it hit, and it retapped 10,000, 12,000 a couple times and fell back down and so on. 10,000, extremely significant. 12,000, extremely significant. The 16.5 was extremely significant, but has been broken. So right now, if we break down through that 12,000 point per coin level, another 20% drop to 10,000 points per coin could absolutely be in the cards for us. Below that, 8,000. And guys, I hate to say it, right? Because these are levels of support. But it's not going to be impossible to retouch 4,000, 5,000 if this bear market continues on. Bitcoin continues to be destroyed. The blockchain isn't rebuilt overnight, and we have to make it through this crypto ice age that we are really getting into right now. So this isn't to scare you and tell you the price is guaranteed to go down, but it is to prepare you in case the price does go down. Right now, if you pull the chart up and look at a daily chart, you can see the decline. You can see that the bulls are being forced lower by the bears out there. You're losing the buying pressure. And another way that you can see that is through the volume. If you look at the 24-hour volume, guys, only $46 million traded in the last 24 hours on Terra Luna Classic. Drastically lower than it has been in the last couple of months. That's exchanges and so on-chain, off-chain, and so on. So Terra Luna Classic has got its work cut out for it. Guys, the best thing that we can do, whether or not we continue to agree with all of the proposals that are made, the worst thing that we can do is fight. The best thing that we can do is, if you don't like the direction that it's going, lobby for a new direction. Let people know why you don't like that it's going in that direction, and maybe somebody will come up with a new proposal. Somebody will come up and lead to a new direction. Terra Luna Classic absolutely has a chance. Do not forget that it is a beaten down layer 1 blockchain. Do not forget that it was once one of the top names in the world, and do not forget that community controls the power of a coin. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts on Terra Luna Classic, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.